Today I am reviewing the Lenovo V15 G4 business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo V15 G4 business laptop is a premium device designed for professionals, students, and business users who demand both performance and reliability in a sleek, portable package. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display, this laptop provides crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and reduced eye strain during long work sessions. The narrow bezel design maximizes screen real estate, making it perfect for presentations, video conferences, financial modeling, and multitasking on spreadsheets or documents. One of the standout features of the Lenovo V15 G4 is its powerful performance for professionals. It is equipped with the 12th generation Intel 8-core i5-13420H processor, which delivers 12 threads, a turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, and 12 MB of cache. This ensures smooth multitasking, fast data analysis, and quick execution of business software. Paired with 16 GB of upgraded DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, the laptop boots instantly, runs applications seamlessly, and provides ample storage for all your important files, from presentations and reports to media projects and databases. Graphics performance is handled by Intel UHD graphics, delivering reliable visuals for work-related tasks, light creative projects, and casual media consumption. While this laptop is primarily built for business, its processing power makes it capable of handling light photo or video editing tasks, ensuring flexibility for creative professionals on the go. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 6 technology and Bluetooth 5.2, the Lenovo V15 G4 allows fast and stable wireless connections for cloud work, video calls, and file sharing. The full suite of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, and headphone/microphone combo jack, ensures compatibility with all your peripherals and devices. Whether you need to connect an external monitor, transfer files quickly, or join a video conference, this laptop has you covered. For added convenience, the laptop comes with a 5 in 1 accessory kit, including a mousepad, 32 GB USB drive, laptop sleeve, 3-in-1 data cable cleaner kit, and a hub. This bundle makes it easier to stay organized and productive, whether you're at the office, a co-working space, or traveling. The Windows 11 Pro operating system enhances productivity and security, offering faster speeds, smoother performance, and improved compatibility with business applications. Features like virtual desktops, snap layouts, and enhanced security tools make multitasking efficient and professional tasks easier to manage. The Lenovo V15 G4 is also designed with portability in mind. Its lightweight chassis allows you to carry it effortlessly between meetings, classrooms, or home offices. Despite its slim profile, it maintains durability, making it a dependable laptop for everyday business or academic use. In summary, the Lenovo V15 G4 business laptop combines powerful performance, professional-grade visuals, advanced connectivity, and a complete accessory bundle to deliver a top-tier experience for business professionals, students, and creative users alike. With Intel 8-core i5-13420H, 16 GB RAM, 1TB SSD, a 15.6-inch FHD anti-glare display, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Windows 11 Pro, and the 5 in 1 accessory kit, this laptop is designed to boost productivity, simplify workflows, and provide a reliable computing experience wherever you go.